Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You're watching For Take. Few days back we created the video review of new update for Nothing Phone 1, that is Nothing OS 2.0.5. Nothing has already started the new beta program for their new Android 14 based Nothing OS 2.5.1, but that was only available for the selected users. But today we brought you the leaked version of Nothing OS 2.5.1 beta 1 Android 14. This is the safest version, you don't have to worry, you can manually install it on your device. So today in this video we will show you how you can install this on your phone. We will check out all the new amazing features added by Nothing in this new update. We will test all the Android 14 features available in this build or not. At last I did some small performance testing of the update. We also shown that what are the major bugs present in the update, so we can confirm is it daily drivable build or not with my final verdict. So watch this video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started
on a new adventure.
Let's start with the manual installation of Nothing OS 2.5.1. Your device must be on the Nothing OS 2.0.5 before update. Download the full OTA file from the link given under the video description. Now create the OTA named folder inside the file manager of your device. Next, transfer that full OTA file inside the OTA folder. Now go to the phone dialer. There type *#682 ##. You will get this manual OTA updater of Nothing OS. Here your file is already loaded in the OTA section, so you don't need to do anything, just tap on the start button. Flashing of new OTA will start, and once it gets done, just tap reboot. All the flashing process will take 15 to 20 minutes, so please keep your patience. This update has same boot animation of old Nothing OS 2.0.5. There are lots of UI element changes has been done that we will discuss later in this video. Let's first check out about phone details. It's showing the device software version as Nothing OS 2.5.1 beta 1. Build number is /u 2.5. This build was built on the 6th December 2023. Android version is 14 with this new interesting space war type of game. Security patches is too old, it's showing December 2023. Kernel version is 5.4.242. Now let's check out all the new amazing features that we get in the update with the UI changes that I found. Now QS panel tile has more rounded shapes. Brightness slider also seems got some UI changes. In same way, network and connected devices tiles in the setting has some more rounded corners. Another change has done by the Nothing is for the widget section. They updated the Nothing widgets library interface, so Nothing widgets appear more clearly. Now we get this new photo widgets that allows you to display your favorite photos both on the home screen and lock screen. We can manually check all the wallpapers by scrolling the tile. In the same way, we got this new compass widget which will show us the real-time directions on the home screen. If we tap on the widget, which is a nice addition. We got this new screenshot editor and menu which allows us the advanced editing option and the quick deletion of screenshots. Nothing has added their own dotted look of back gesture which looks cool. Nothing developers has added the option to hide the app icons on the home screen and in the app drawer. To use this, we need to go under the home setting of the launcher. Here we will get the hide app icon option. Here just select the application that we want to hide. Once done, go to the app drawer and all the selected application will be hidden from the app drawer. To access the hidden application, just slide the drawer from the left side to the right corner. Here you will find all the hidden application. This is a pretty useful feature. Next, developer has added the 3-finger gesture to quickly take the screenshots. This feature will file under the gesture setting. It's a useful feature which was missing from the long time. Under same gesture setting, we get the new extra useful feature like double press power button to enable the glyph torch. This will enable the glyph light as a torch and it's a pretty useful feature. Instead of torch, we also can set these activities for the different purpose like video camera, D&D mode, or to access any installed application as a shortcuts. Nothing has redesigned the wallpapers and style section where you can edit both the lock screen and home screen settings. Next awesome feature Nothing has added for the wallpaper is the new atmosphere mode. This will create the nice animation after unlocking the phone and blurs the wallpaper like glass effect. But for now, wallpaper glass effect has been locked by Nothing. It's exclusive for the Nothing phone 2 only. Next, Nothing has added some solid color wallpapers under the wallpapers and style section. So these are all the new changes has been done by the Nothing OS team for the new Nothing OS 2.5.1. Now let's overview all the new Android 14 features available in this update. I will not explain them, you can just watch the video to check all these new features are working or not in this new update.
Somewhere in between what will and has been, it's a constant fight, oh my. But I'm not falling, even if I'm caught in the middle. No, I'm not falling. But when did I get lost in the middle of time? When did I get lost in the middle of time?
I thoroughly tested this beta build and everything is working like Wi-Fi hotspot, NFC, GPS, glyph light, Nothing camera and many more. But there are some flaws and the bugs that we will discuss under the bug section of this video. Now let's check out the performance of this build. The new update is buttery smooth, touch responsiveness is also very good, apps opening, closing, RAM management, all the things are very good. For the Geekbench, we got the better score as compared to the Geekbench average database for both the CPU and the GPU. You can check the results on the screen, which are a lot improved as compared to the previous builds. Means Nothing team did a great job for improving the performance of the device. If you test the screen touch sampling rate, it's showing the maximum output of 250 Hz, which is good sign for the better touch responsiveness of the screen. So everything has been discussed, now it's time to show you some bugs and the issues after update. In this new update, CTS profile is getting failed in the SNES Safety Net application. So you may face issues with the banking application. Similarly, device play protect certification is also showing failed in the Play Store. So some applications like Netflix and other can't be installed on this update. But you can solve this issue using the mod video tutorial. Its link is available under the video description. New update has all the Android 14 features except the new AI generated wallpapers and AI emojis. I didn't find these features under the wallpapers and style application section. Next Android 14 feature missing in this update is the new font control tile to control the device fonts on the go. This tile is not available under the QoS panel setting. Always on display is available under the lock screen setting. It's working, but sometimes it's not. Maybe it's a device specific bug, someone will face it and others may be not. Except these minor bug issues, all the things are working, so I definitely recommend it to use it as a daily drivable build if you are able to solve the safety net and device play protect certification error. So that's it for today guys, hope you liked my work, then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.